Don't go anywhere because in this video we are learning how to clean or replace the idle control valve. This is a 2005 Ranger XL 2.34 cylinder. And what is the idle control valve? This valve regulates the engine's idle speed. If your engine is stalling, difficulty starting, or you have a P0505 code, you might want to clean or replace the IAC valve. On this particular model, it is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. So let's go ahead and unplug the connector. And we're using a ratchet and a 5/8 cube. You can see how dirty it is inside. So I'm gonna clean it where the gasket sits first. Make sure it is in the upright position. Then we're going to spray the inside with Throttle body cleaner. By the way, if you own a Ford Ranger, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I have over 10 videos pending to upload that you will find very useful, and tips from my own experiences fixing this model. Moving along with our project, make sure you clean the portion where the gasket sits as well. Always compare the new one with the old one. And add some dielectric grease to the connector. And look how smooth that was. Unfortunately, the valve was damaged, so I ended up replacing it with a new one while I was doing a major tune-up, which you'll get to see in future videos. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.